If I gotta bite your ear off like Mike Tyson, so be it. Darcei. Hey. Hello friends, and welcome back to another mukbang. Today is a very special day because we have my favorite restaurant's food here, okay? Look, oh my god, look at that. I love Red Lobster. If you know me, you know that I love Red Lobster more than anything in the world, okay? Literally every birthday I go to Red Lobster because I have a serious problem.
Go ahead.
Siri, who's talking to you? Anyways, I got the biggest fork I own for this, okay? And if you hear some grunting and groaning in the background, that's my dog because he's just jealous that he ain't getting none. All right, so let's get started. I'm so excited. Look at all these damn biscuits, okay? I swear to God, I only ordered half a dozen biscuits, but this is absolutely a dozen biscuits. Did I pay extra? I don't know. It's okay. I'm gonna eat them anyways. Oh, it's fine. So what I got here is my shrimp linguine alfredo. That is the star of the show today. Then we got our biscuits, and we also have some bread here, and the bread is specifically for my escargot, because your girl, she loves her snails, okay? My escargot. And then I also have some seafood stuffed mushrooms over here, okay? So we be dipping all our bread in these juices. Look at the juice. Can you guys see that juice though? Oh my god. Buttery goodness. Oh, my nose is running already. Oh my god. Sorry, I really love Red Lobster, if you can tell. So let's start. Let's dig into this. Ooh. Oh my god, she creamy. You guys, can you hear it? Can you hear how creamy she is? Yes. So we're just gonna mix this up. Get all the creamy goodness. Yes, honey. And then I'm gonna take some of my bread here. Take off a little piece there and just dip it. Dip it in that butter. Come here, girl. It's so good. I'm gonna get a little fork for this one. Hold on. This is gonna be my little escargot fork. Ooh. I love escargot so. Oh, look at that cheese. Oh my god, so good. Oh god, I love escargot. And Red Lobster does not have the best escargot, but it's still so good. And all that butter at the bottom, just dip your bread in it. I'm losing my mind right now. So I asked you guys on Instagram to send me some assumptions that you have about me. So I'm just going to read a couple of them right now. First assumption is you like Korean makeup products more than Western products. Yes and no. Sometimes I really do like Korean products more than Western products, especially like the foundations. Even though it's really hard to find a foundation in my color, the foundations, they're just so dewy and moisturizing, and I just love that. Also, you guys know I love Korean lipsticks. I'm almost always wearing a Korean lipstick. Like right now, I'm wearing one from 3CE. I don't remember what it's called, but I'll leave what it's called in the description. Ugh. I love Korean lipstick because even though they're still matte, they're still like super moisturizing, and it doesn't feel like you're gonna die when you put them on. At the end of the day, my lips aren't completely destroyed, but my lipstick's still on, so I love that. My lipstick's not gonna survive this pasta though. It's too creamy. It is so creamy. Let's dip into one of these mushrooms. Oh my god, guys. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow, there wasn't even a mushroom in that. There it is. So good. The advantage of Western products, though, of course, is that they're more geared towards me. So I can easily find a foundation in my shade. I think both industries are great, and both industries have a lot to work on. That is all. Next assumption is you're stubborn. Yes, absolutely, okay. It's my way or the highway, girl, okay? Actually, I think I'm a pretty reasonable person. But once I set my mind to something, it's very difficult for me to change it, or for anyone to change it. You only date white or Asian guys. Listen, people, okay. I have zero dating preference as far as race goes. And that's all y'all need to know. Next assumption. You can fight. See, that's a complicated question, all right? I'm gonna be honest. I have zero actual fighting skills, like as in formal training. However, I make up for my lack of training in pure craziness. I'm just a crazy person. So if you try to fight me, I will use every dirty trick in the book. If I gotta bite your ear off like Mike Tyson, so be it. Next assumption. You don't like to cook? Hello, have you not seen my cooking video in which I cook ramen? Seriously though, I love cooking and I love baking. I'm always baking cookies. I bake cookies when I'm stressed, and I'm stressed a lot. Oh, wow. Oh my god. Oh, slow down. Just slow down. But yeah, I cook all the time. I live by myself, so I cook all my own meals. I know how to cook. I know how to make an entire chicken. That's right. Wife me up real quick. You use fillers, don't you? Only in these lips, honey. You prefer neutral colors over colorful ones in terms of clothing and makeup. This isn't even an assumption. This is just an observation. Just look at me. Just look. Neutral. Neutral. I am the same color as the table. I match the table. When have you guys ever seen me in a bright color ever? Huh? That's right. Never. And you never will. Thanks for coming. Wow. You like cats. Cats are whatever. I'm a dog person. Also, I'm allergic to cats. Someone's assumption is you're black. Yes, bitch. You've worked so hard to get where you are, but it's hard to stay positive sometimes. Yes, that is true. It is very hard to stay positive sometimes, and sometimes I just want to sit and cry and eat my red lobster. But we must power through. We must power through the difficult times and get back to what we do best, which is eat red lobster. I got another one that says I know how to fight. Why does everybody think I know how to fight? Is it because I'm so aggressive? Is it because I'm so aggressive? You were crazy about anime when you were younger. Listen, I was only crazy about one anime, all right? One anime in particular, and that is That's right, Inuyasha, okay? We all know how much I love Inuyasha and how I don't sleep with an Inuyasha plushie at all. No idea what you're talking about. Your boyfriend is Caucasian. Guys, where's this coming from? Where is this coming from? Where's this coming from? You're easy to talk to, but you're really antisocial. True facts. You got me. Woo! Seriously, all I do is sit in my room and read and play The Sims and watch Korean dramas. You guys watching Sky Castle? I'm watching Sky Castle. It's great. And I meet a lot of you guys in real life, and I feel like you expect me to be like this and be like, oh my god, I love meeting you guys, oh my god, hi. And then I'm just like, oh hey, hi. And then I'm just like this tiny, bless you. And then I'm just like this tiny potato, and it's just this awkward moment, and yeah, sorry. You're an awesome person who's just trying to make it through life like the rest of us. That's so true. That is so true, guys. So true. Woo, child. Anyways, I'm a total lightweight with food, guys. I don't know why you guys keep asking me to do mukbangs. Cause did I even eat anything? Like, in all actuality, this is what I do when I go to Red Lobster. I will order appetizers, get full off the appetizers, and then I will order one of these and eat it for the next 2 days, okay? Genius plan! But I hope you guys enjoyed this enjoyed? I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed this cute little mukbang. If you guys want to see some more of these, just, I don't know, send me some questions, send me some food. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just want to let you know that I will be eating this for the next week or so. So if you see pasta stains on all of my shirts, that's why. Anyways, guys, I will see you in the next video, which will be up later on this week. I love you guys so much.